How to navigate YouTube TV with a Samsung remote. Navigating YouTube TV on a Samsung Smart TV with its remote is straightforward. Samsung remotes have basic controls which can be used effectively to explore YouTube TV features. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the Smart Hub. Use the directional arrows to navigate to the YouTube TV app. Press the Enter/OK button to open the app. Step 2. Navigate the YouTube TV interface. Library. Use the directional arrows to navigate to the Library tab for accessing saved recordings, shows, and movies. Press Enter or OK to select a recording. Home. Navigate to the Home tab to browse recommended content and popular categories. Scroll horizontally to explore rows like Live, Sports, or Trending. Live. Move to the Live tab to view the Live channel guide. Scroll vertically through the channel list using the up and down arrow keys. Step 3. Play and control videos. Play or pause. Press the play or pause button to start or pause a video. Rewind or forward. Use the left and right arrow keys to rewind or fast forward. Hold the buttons for faster navigation. Volume and mute. Adjust the volume with the volume up and down buttons, or mute the sound with the mute button. Step 4. Use the search function. Navigate to the search icon, magnifying glass, at the top of the screen. Press Enter or OK to select. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice search, if your remote has a microphone button, to find specific content. Step 5. Access settings. Go to the Settings menu, gear icon in the app. Use directional arrows and Enter or OK to adjust preferences like video quality, captions, and account details. Step 6. Exit YouTube TV. Press the Return or Back button to return to the main menu. Press the Home button to exit the app and return to the Smart Hub. By mastering these basic remote functions, you can easily navigate and enjoy YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV.